woman kwa ana ebretia wamu obetimi aje visa no ato nsam working permit so etachire eno nti se wo kwa adwuma ewo broni kromu a eno so obetima bomoden agene nyina de aka ho a wo kro no wo mu odu pa se asogafo mpaboa wo pese okọ omai bi te se United Kingdom, Canada, Dubai, Poland, Croatia, Greece, Serbia, Italy, any Australia there. But more than pam say when a Sundays Sam's consort ebetim Eddie and Sawaswo. Me pata of Anko barrier as of our Ben Wise Park Hotel no ewa as of new station. E one more na behunu Sundays Sam's consort. Fra 0244 291546 0244 291546. Sunday's Sam's Consort was a connecting dreams with opportunities. Sadan so and a cross communion wine abidaso. Na a fine kilometer for an adenam. A shall free jimua a grade. A team 50 sana so gu okapumua. Wo beti do a saw manasi say gwa wona chrono. Enquires menom and penitmenum was off one ana imam with minum be. Alcohol enim and until the normal comfort bonus seguna. No watiem twa o Nhyiraba wo betene piao ebusua cross communion wine no se wo pe ba ku mienu miensa be dia body defense wo won passe ese Italy for captain Fabio Cannavaro dia na do ani akirem e wo dra eye pharmacy anase supermarket no a e wo nche ho no bebia betima konka ne amawo na emom se wo pe dodo na atunku ade a na woni fine kilometer fo atimi abo enkomotrankam ebusua wonom ani adwumakuo mienu a ene adwumere wabo adontre sakenkan fo mienu yensi petepremu siprem na yemu jansrama enwu enkrata no so na yempunu atiefo ngusie ese ganja boys edi amejeso eye gangster katia mitenkura woko Okogyeabour Ocran mene
takrade Kwadwo krom de hyekonkron twabe wudi hye Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B
DL News.
Yema Ghana fo nyina kwa ba na Africa sebo no yemfa emu enkyeremu ensom Ghana fo enyina na oba yem Facebook no eso a ye streaming live our official page no eso eye DLFM 106.9 brana yeni enkomo ewo Facebook no eso ye seka sebo no ase a na oswafo hwe ye nyina mahoden eso eye Herbert Krapper na nsan anu ade kwoto parliament se aban no epese Bui Power Authority ana afenso no Voter River Authority empenifo ebeka bom se na ebeya adwumakuo ebako na eno ana yakasai ehun nsam eye pinso ewo mrase badwafie ema edom kuman ka se dabi wontimi ntena se ema aban wei enton Ghana dwapade nyina na wanye ne basansa na obefra ba mu a wafra ba mu nti ene minority no wo mugina brane se abelaba ekasai etiem se wo mo empeneda ema Bui Power Authority any Voter River Authority no empenifo enka emom na eno ana pressure asebio ema abo ahokɔhwedie ekowura kwesibo mo no ebi eguma mpani ekufuado ene na aban chemu a ye kase wode to dwa kyerem se saa bill no ankom de kɔto parliament nanka ye omatimi agina so aka VR ana afenso no Bui Power Authority na abomu no pressure no a eba no anoso enu nti aban ne kyerɛ se watwe asensan na enso ye kase yi akwasi kɔ na ogina nkwantia enya meto dwa se official no aban no awedro na emom no pressure aba no kyerɛ se ade no se de ayen de redro ne be redro firi se akwese wi afufuo ache wodrom dodo entiasia nkwansia enu ntia na wi asam beka yi a emrahye badwani a wote abanwa so de ma womanfo ne ade hye wonom ewo afutu na wono asa ye edom kese ne ba no danin Honorable Alexander Kwame na afenyo marking said to da echire mu se esansa ade no ahia nkwansia ntino aban no so won kan kyerɛ mrahye badwafo se aboakura wose maka na enso menwe wo be draw sa bill no se na be ya Voter River Authority any Bui Power Authority no yen kambom ebiem na ene emrahye badwafo wo dem ho no ma te hwania na kyerɛ sɛ ye senior staff eye association Emma Voter River Authority wonu ma bo ade awuram e wo parliament hono mo a ene wo bu afu pass atemata forest ne nyina no ene se adenti ana wo modwumafo no wo mbetena se ama aban we ade Ghana fo adwapade agora to pressa enu nti Eyade se obram ne nsɛmtwerɛfo ekasa no ana chairman edema Voter River Authority eye senior staff association no eye Theophilus Tete ehia wode to da na wo kyerem se won mo gya ne ntie se aban we pese woka VR ana afen nso no Bui Power Authority no woka bomu na wonom senior staff no won ntiase ne ntiase kina enu nti we de se aban ye na adwene se obema na so aye den dia na kyerɛ se agema bedupo ene obeti ni pu na wa na kyerɛ se de obewo ne bewo ko wa ni ko wa na no na wakasa na wo kyerem se wo mo nsɛm wo mo kan ne petition a wo mo de akɔto parliament se empanifo hwe na wo mo eredro sa bill no wo mo de copy akoma mampani akufuado wo mo de copy akoma mampani abedi akire Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bahomia ana mia me wafase chief of staff Akosua Frima Opare speaker of parliament Yewra Urban Kingsford so mana bagben ana menase bedwafo no mako ahenu aduoso no no so eyade se Voter River Authority staff no ultimate the copies ama wono mo nyina echirim se wo mo ntiase ne entiase kina ema Bui Power Authority any Voter River Authority no aban no enkambom efiri se wo mo hu ni se aban no pese wo ton Ghana edwapade edegura topre obra wo mo ekasa e wo parliament no emu nsem nie.
We are here this morning to give a brief on the bills, on the energy bills that is before parliament, and we have issues with these bills, and we have put up a petition. We submitted it to the president of the state, the vice president, the chief of staff, the honorable speaker of parliament. We have also made copies to all the 275 members of parliament of this house, and our demand is very simple. What we are saying is that the Voter River Authority is very efficient, it's reliable, and the power from the Voter River Authority generation plants are the cheapest in this country. Therefore, we are asking that the bills brought before the parliament should be rejected by the honorable members of this parliament, that it is not going to inure to the benefit of the people of this country. We are saying that the Voter River Authority is a national security asset. It is the only institution that protects our economy and our energy security of this country. So therefore, the attempt to merge the Voter River Authority Hydro and that of the Bui Power Authority, separation of the VRA thermal assets and creation of thermal power authority and eventual sale to private investors and some faceless politicians is not in the best interest of this country.
Na ebusuya enu achi no ana wapani aneti ade Theophilus Tete ehia wode atodwa na wo kirem se botaye nti aban ne pese woka Voter River Authority any Bui Power Authority no woka bo mu nyina no ene se wo man na dwapade no wo manya ne ntie se aban we pese woton edema private person bi a eno betimi de ekakese abre wo man Ghana eno nti wo mo mpene ne empene kina.
NEDCO, that is Electricity Distribution Company of Ghana, and that of Electricity Company of Ghana to form the Electric Distribution Power Company Authority. It's also not in the best interest of this country. As you are all aware, the ECG is facing challenges. It's not able to make payments to all the energy sales that they receive from the generators. As we speak today, ECG tether to the VRA is over 2 billion Ghana cedis. That of the IPP is over $1.5 billion. How can we achieve the objective as espoused in the bill, that we are bringing efficiency, we are going to reduce the cost of electricity to the people of this country, and also to reduce government financing of this sector? We are saying that that is not the true objective. The objective, I'm telling you the press today, that is the separation of the VRA thermal assets and eventual sale to private persons. Currently, I can tell you that the IPPs in this country produce about over 50% of our energy needs of this state. I don't know how many of you have heard that Sono Asobi has shut down. They have taken over 560 megawatt of electricity from our national grid. Means that they are taking the country to task. And this is going to impact negatively on our economy. The voter...
Ebusuani ayeti yeyi eye opania wono ana woye chairman ede Emma Voter River Authority Senior Staff Association of Ghana ne din ede Theophilus Tete ehia ana wo chirim se wantena se emeduadu mfrani mesiko tie firi se Voter River Authority no eye o man na dwapade eno nti se wo mbe ye nhwehan ama ban wei waka bomu na ani Bui Power Authority aya de ba ko no de ede kakese ebebre wo man ama Ghana fo abre eno nti emu nsemo a mo bowura mu e wo parliament no eno no
yantu akase abono so ne fa ya ne mfa nkyere mu e wa pie mantem na Ghana National Association of Small Scale Miners wama maden ate task force esi amekese yi wama na oman Ghana strafo na ejezedi kasuboma wadom tata adihye bia wama nam kwati kwan ese oman Ghana yensuo ene akwa ni senti omakwa kopiem o apiem mantemu mechira eyebrim river ni mu a eno no wamampon etiwa east district ni mu apiem mantemu esi amekese omachini pa makoma enum se wadom akwa chasas eya sanfa machine sibi to ese oman Ghana yensuo nti wanom etimi ache wanom na mpenifo kyerem sei edipa makoma enum a wanom saka wanom no shamfans mfidie no makoma akwa 940 enso ya de na zamrante yi edisi jese nsuo no so nsuo ni sei ya jese no mahuru nsuo ese brika kram na mpenifo kyerem sei ade ntina betra manga na monida ne da nsuo ya river brimi jese nimpa bebre na da ene tumi nya nsu panom ade ntina betra se mabo manga na brati senti wanom ache wanom na enkani kyerem sei emam kopie mu jese nsuo no so no na nipa mienu de so motete sanfa no so jese ne nya dwuma ketwa wanom bojam sei ya sende omo hunu nsuo ani sei ya na mpenifo sim se dabi Ghana ni pipini die na moje ni senti omo so mpa gi se twi a omo kwakwa gina mra no na mpenfo kyerem sei emra mbo wura mpotem ho no no omo hu se ni pam yensa ne de bi ni mudimirika tenta panya sim kuma nanso emunum ne de wanom atimi ache wanom na no mbo amane sei emra mo che wanom pene kwabla ne bi kra kyere ne de da no so na Kwadwo ayi matu o kyerem se mfidie na ne de anti on tiase ne entiase kyerem mfidie mo fa nkonti oni asrafo de asie ne ye pa nanso soja fo ne kyerem se wonni ahode incident ma kyere no akwai sa kyerem mpo se ono mpo sa ye ohene ka ho na mo se hwe enti wo ye ohene watena se ede mna de ahye wo nsam na mo se subonten se ba Ghana de hye entimi nya supa enom na sa se nsam we mu no opening pa on na ye kyese ne communication director ede ma eye Ghana National Association of Small Scale Miners no ne den ede Abdul Razak Alasan ojemre ene kyese ntwanchofo kasa na o kyerem se wo mbakwa so atata ni pa bonofo a wọ́n sẹ́ wọ́n Ghana yenso ẹni akọyẹ firi sẹ́ efuma gudie de ekwanpa so na ẹsẹ wọ́n Ghana yẹ fa so a yẹtu betumi abọ na wọ́n Ghana yẹtumi akọyẹ nim ẹwọ puntu mu.
There are some footage going around say you can say for that show no so but we are making sure that you know they are a new office on Twitter. The task force no move to Achimampo. Now that is one of the critical area just to for your mom be machine so and so na so no the kwachi you they are on the river body no move to for bridge and then if you are yachi mo aye but they met a truck and also already for so di so that is where they call them Omuchi also Mensa so in all that is 1.5 and Omuba be move no Omumu can no say the public station na Omu sponsor or no so no one of the chiefs of that area no leading escaping the and also every taxi ever also every tax force why should they come and then no we are doing our job we are not say Mumbai then we were fighting with our task force and so they called for reinforcement and at least a young police by and they were able to arrest him and you know to say and at the same time we had the information that we took and one of them we are still looking for him to now the reaction to trust him now or the food and dry chain mampo ira or to I just said Manache, and he's the one behind all this to the course and you know, in a nutshell, James is cafe, they will be arraigned before court. Now, they are taking it from there. You know, Chief Locrano, we tried to get him. I think he's not also happy with that guy because the behavior, as a threatening and those things, and they, we said now he did he's under or changing all right, but that's the for it. And he has been creating a whole lot of confusion. And they will get to the full name, but he said, the journalists will be arraigned before court. It should be.
Any awoti ye ayopeni po no na yakasama for the Ghana National Association of Small Scale Miners. Ne den ede Abdul Razak Alasan nene na awoti ye.
Yentu akasiaba no so ewo DL wo ha ne nsia echiripo enkono. Na ansa na yebeto akasiaba no so ama wono Kwadwo breaking news bi atweneti.
Okay.
Yemfa nsom yetiefo.
DLFM breaking news. DLFM breaking news.
DLFM 106.9.
Yema Ghana fo akwaba na yento akase bo no so na we no eye putupuru amane bo a efri emrahye badafie abeto dwa sesi ye hu behia se ye de eniani mo no lead no ema Ghana fo na ye bedi akire na afei no ye de mu nkomo ne nyina asom nyankopon eye adomo a edechina na breaking news wa apie nyina no ene se ye kasa yi emrahye badafo maako enan a wo mo ho nsem aye pinso e wo parliament no Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Aban Kingsford Somana Bagben, we declare one monkunya ni nyina vacant ya yekasai. NDC emrasibedafo no, one ewo majority ewo emrasibedafie, esen MPP fo no. Na ebusuani nyina no ene se emrasibedafo enan no, emu miensa eye NPP, ana emu baako eye NDC. Na NDC ne no eye Honorable Peter Kwache aka. Awa mrasibedwani ema NDC ewo Amenfi West atoye mantemo wadi to that rem se niam bia koso ewo NDC amanyuko no munti wonko enyina mu biemu se NPP ni emfa ma NDC for no 2024 elections yi eno nti we declare independent se afi wobeko independent ana sa obo edi wuramu ewo NPP amanyuko no munso a oboafo Kwadwo Asante eteso say certain member of parliament Emma NPP ewo hum wono so kire se proposal etu no enu nti enema bia nko yie wono so kire se woko independent ana se uduru mfimfiri mantemu a Aguna West eye Cynthia Mamle Morrison wono eye certain member of parliament Emma NPP amanyuko no nanka wasa akobiem ana primaries no wolusu ye wono so kire se ne bonyo so enu nti wono so declare se woko independent ana adanse formena Emra Sebedwani awoye second deputy speaker of parliament Honorable Andrews Amwako Asiama wono so ekire se afi wonko ema NPP biem wono so kwose independent na eno ana Haruna Idrusu awoye Emra Sebedwani Tamale South wotro petition ekoma speaker of parliament se anamonu asa Emra Sebedwafo we natuo no se wo kenkan article 97/1 H anase G no a na ehu behia se speaker of parliament ejina so na wo declare san konwa ni vacant enu nti ehu nsam yentwenkwa yentwemra dia ba beto da ene se Right Honorable Aban Kingsford Somana Bagben ejina ne tumi so ejina Ghana amamra so e declare san konwa fo ni nyina vacant ya ye kasai NPP mrahibadwafo no wono mo eye 35 ana NDC fo no akwakoye 36 enti Kwadwo ye kasai NDC amanyuko no wono mbom akoye majority in parliament
edi esi amebao Dr. Kessel Atoba Forsen ebe majority leader.
That's right.
Na afenyo maken
akoye minority leader.
Hey
adie na sesa
krumni wono
enti Kwadwo we emra ho asem
okay edem
emra ho asem
emra dia ye ntumi nka ho hwebire emra na edi wonom na baby etuo nso atwero na hwa na ese edanti no
that's right
sema se bedwafo mu ne de ena mu ne mra nso endi se mo ana mo hye mra endi mra di udi a baby ese edan na hwa na ada endi se sa pepe na mamra ne te de a
sa pepe ne te
no ana de eye mimi hu se mfumso obi anim se sa na te de mfumso onim se ye mra ho asem
emra ho asem
yo endi se efri na ekọ ye ka majority leader ya mo afanya marking din bi o
ebi Atoba forcing
ejumako
enya ne siem
ma se bedwani so no last me ka sanka onkogya me twabewu no so waye busy nti si ya wakoye majority leader obedi machi wani machi a onye wo fase bio
enti wenu ye breaking news wa Ghana for ye de asommo na nyame ya no Kwadwo wachina ye bebo modeni ya ne wo mo a ete amanyo ene amamuo ne mrase ne no mbedi nkomo nyame ya domo a wachina enti wenu de mo fenhye mbotom
DLFM breaking news.
Yentu akasieba no so na yenkwa yanimu a na ye kwakwa to dem na wasofo pani a wono ana ye kwafare bai Emma Alive Chapel International Bishop Elisha Salifu Amwako ye nyina ye nimu ntansa ye de asensan ne komu efrise Ghana mra watimi ayenhwe han wone na yire ama ye kasa ne baba mu a Elrad Amwako watimi eto ne maame ka 16 years akokum enipa mienu edi nsamone ewo East Legon na ye de papa no ekogina mu ewo court a eye Accra High Court na wabra court ede bail eto no so a court ka se wo mo nkwa na bere se mu ye de wo mo aba no sabre na ensam trofo a wono ewo court dem ho no wo mo epese wo mu twa emfoni na ja wo mo cover se ne da bia no wo bia asem koduru court a ye de ma ensam trofo ase yenka ho asem no wo bra se ne ko so court no ana ensam troni a wodi ne dwuma ede ma EIB network ne din ade mutala inusa wo fa ne camera se eja ensam trofo dwuma na aba na court nso no wo bia asem ba yetwa ede kira mansan wo ma ne camera so a na wasofo bishop salifo amwako ya kasai ne ho nsem aya ade ma no ne church members mechira Alive Chapel International members no wo mato ade agunsam troni ne so a abusua bra ye Facebook no so be hadie o be hadie wan kasa bra be hadie dia asore mayi kire e wo video num we ne fa ne say videos and pictures of Gan said the almost ya yire nsam troni no e papa no sumo woni nkonsa pa na tiko asamba kura nia Kwadwo presi mo presi
hallelujah okon se oyiwa ho asem ne da ho se awia ne ye ka kire na tiefo se ye de mu nkyeremu besom wanumre yi
ani ye de asom mo
video na ye ka ho asem ne da Facebook no so we ensem treni a oye correspondent edema EIB network GH1 mo na oye na dwuma na members ni kyerem se enipa o mo ka ne ho nsem je mo sofo nti
omo mpene
wanu muntu mentena se sense ntrofo we sumu nso na mo nka ho asem nti mo atode ahye ne so
bo no sa
atimu se ne nsa no ya wira ne nsa ho nyina
sem ba kura ni
we
na abusua die nti a church members ne se wo mo mpene e man sam trofo enkova court proceedings ne life ne se wo mo kiremu a ye wo mo sofo kronkron wo mo sofo pani yenso no mo yentaache no yemfa camera nsi ne so na mpokra no we ayasem ben ye anu nti no ensam trofo atwe camera ediasi wo mo esofo so ya yire nsam troni aheka boot ye mia ne kon ye kunu ani ewurade wo ba ye Facebook no so a eye DLFM 106.9 na church members ne kire said yes ye no enya huhu mu asem enya huna mu asem wen eye huhu mu asem se sofo ba betima tuka akokum nipa no entansi enya hunam eye huhum bi na eye bonsam ana kwehye anasa bonsam enipa bi mpo na akwehye kira huhum no wo mo kutia papa ekutia na busua ekutia ne manti enam so ama ene ne ba kokum nipa mienu nti no ade eye huhum asam de eba ne sai na nsam troni timi fa camera se wedi kosi ne so enu nti ensam troni a wono no ye legal affairs correspondent eba emramu nsam a wono ane cover no obomu amane ede ma EIB network mutala ilusa no behwede church members eye no ye posane se kakape na mumie ntie wabra wo mo papa ne sum ebro no no de na ekoso ni bi ewo ho Alive Chapel International church members mumie ntie de ekoso enti abusua we no aye wabra na church members yi ato ahye nsam troni anedin edi mutala inusaso ye woni nkonsa tete na tade mu ye kasai ye nua no kra kire se ni mobile phone ayira se da sane na tu no botom yi Okwadwo
na okon wo hwe members yi a wono atwa ahye ne wo se mo doso
obi tu no botom kra ye nhunu
se enu amu sa incident we mu na nam so na no phone ayira no enti enyam gwanwa se members na wonu meburu ni bi na asa atam phone aka
wo mo na betam
na ho na befa se mo na matu agunu so amohwe ni ohu nti se na meka na we no okon amanyofo no bi num eburu nsam twerefo amanka sesi de abasa nyame ma wo mo se o mo ye nyame ma o omo no mo se so mo ya nyame ma ena nsem twe ne ye na dwuma a wanya mfumuso bia omo atu agu no to say won papa enti na menim say Jesus Christ bazasi we su no edu ba bi ni so ya che ne papa no suma na meboa yes
ono mpo na wa ye
ya bone da
ono kra ne banko tuka
Peter ko gina wa so ba ko dia dance so do ni na mu mirika akoko amon prensa na oyi firi mu hwe ye okonye ntu as sa and members no fo
wo de obetimetumi de mintumi
sa Alive Chapel International for no muntie me ye
we yetu wo mofo
muntie me ye hwe se mo pe heaven akwa monya mo nkwadwe ho adwuma ye firi se me de me hu ni se mo ya hwe ase oh yes oh no kra na me ka me hu ni se sa Alive Chapel International asafoma no omo mutu sa na mo no ebi anya wo nyina oko ebi anya wo nyina omo mutu sa na mo na omo koto sense training so bo ne de omo ahwe ase nti omo nso de firi ba bia omo hwe ase no na omo keka omo firi se osofo omoro mraso osofo mrom omo mraso one person omo kira me se omo na yetimo no emra no so sini bibia okrom ase nti wo osofo no wa ni mraso na mra diwa ediw akora wo vision du nsia oni hu kwan se wo twishen wo kram ana okomeboa enti edenti na se wo bu mraso a abofra no so wo papa e wo maame emra no so kire se du ba bi na wo ye hwe han na wantete wo ba ni ye na okofo asamba e count
that's right
eni se ya che sofo emra na ma ho kwan se ye nche no na ya che sofo ase mente ase wonte ase sei so mo hwe na o ma na emra no mutumi ni so a o mo fa so no nko heaven ho na nko ya o ma sore
anya asase so
dabi
na ya ka say IGP wadaroma video e clear match dodo sen IGP ana meboa
okon esa
enti wo betime asorto journalist awoye na dwuma
free
what kind chapter 12 of the 1992 constitution no or kasafa press freedom what must here enti IGP Dr. George Akufu Dampare asore me match dodo sen asem we si da ben enra meboa
enra
enti 24 hours ni IGP match dodo sen
ye besere mutu hu na mo free say okonye ntimi ntina kura yim ema esom yese nyamesom o yesom nyamesom yesom nyame apankwade ama ye kra menim gidi a omode kwa aso dem ho de nanso ade o ye maye die se de bidi kaka ya no omoda fom say team
na we mo omusum nyame omusum sofo
nyamesom no sofo no kura be ka kira ya o man nyina say ono no oni mra so enya sa na wakai sa na wakai ye tan sofo bi ena DLFM isantrafo ye tan obi a emran sa de ese ne sa pepe ne ye kan video mu asei osofo abeka kira Ghana fo nyina so ono ne hyan ya wotwi ni kana wotwi no no ma plate oni bi oni license na press ni bia mpo ntumi kura misa na sam kura mpo emma muso so be stop no kura kwesen no mpo da
nyesa police ni kura
obama ye yi press ni na di e wo krom ha asafo ma bom nsem pa osofo wa ya de wu ye odi wo krom ha sabe samo mo ya na mo hwe ase ambetu sa na mo we na so osofo no ne ba enam so osofo na nkasa mfa mra nya dwuma nti
ne ma
adore ne ba no so ma ne ba no so tu sa na mo akokum ni pam yenu e wo krom ha eni patu na ewu obi amanfo ma watuwa mo kwafra mo nsem
Kwadwo onim
oko
sofo na nkasa mo no oye lawless ne ba wa wono ne biological son oye lawless ana ne church members oye lawless
no wonder say ne members ne be
yes
sante te ode atete wo no mo no ehu aba na aso yi
but I don't blame them I blame the IGP wache dodo wasen Ghana for mebu na wo mo protested the right a police for say the unlawful assembly me patcho this type of assembly a lawful IGP the equals video imu we a lawful assembly 24 hours ni any IG wo ya magana for IG de say wone wo menante ya musuro sofo ya mpa eno nti na bepe mo na mo nche hwe no because sofo no ase mo a police for no musuro no why abrabo be nie yanchi wo bia o yanchi wo bia enso a police for timi fetuo ni e di chezi wo bia wanom ni wi afa na hwenem
DLFM
yanchi wo bia enti we no a lawful assembly won mo amukoye democracy hub for ye amukoye protest emra ne se obeye protest ya na obeye demonstration 5 days before the day no letter nkrata ma police sa demonstration ni protest no won mo nkrata ma Ghana police ema police fo agitum sa mpamonko ewi a kire no won mo ase assembly no eye unlawful IGP dia wo hwei obi ntwa video when fan Sunday IGP Dr. George Ekufu Dampare na won fama Dr. Teto Yohunu na ye musa ne say enti we eye lawful assembly ana
emo ya pa sensem twene di ne dwuma onye obi ahwe yesi asore ma adenti a osofo batu ana mabone me ya che sofo nti omo ntia sensem twene wo be ye den
ye wo ensem trofo ko e fe ne say media coalition against journalist brutality ye hwani mu say Ghana Journalists Association ene gebafo be ba bonten na sa asemu wo mo fa ho statement emra yewura Albert Kwabradwonfo wadaroma DSA ensem trofo wo Ghana nyina hwe wanim say wo na ye president fa ho asembra fo wano betum ne ye hwe the position of the GJ e was asemu ho Kwadwo to aso
Oko yanto akase bono so ne yemfiri court nsensemu en Ghana mampenen nana adodanko Akufo-Addo wakase kirem say Frankatuni edema National Democratic Congress endi semanyuku no omampenda da John Dramani Mahama oyo obi a Ghana fo nyina boni dimpe ade ba kwa betumi de ahye papa yin so no de aka ne nyina yedum so efiri so manga ne du ba bi no man yekosumu chezene oba omade na akoto fridge wakwa kra ne mabegum se pew esu a wo besu krom ha no o kirem say ha adwenye pa ne senti ene wanwa pa se ne omampenda da John Dramani Mahama onam Ghana montene so bontoa ekachira Ghana de hye say afi wensu ya bato afinti se de tie bia no mbone ba me boy ya mini bi atwam nti monsanto aba no emfama no Ghana mampani na danko Akufo-Addo nsem ade tudwam na kopie mo ewa tifide mantanim na obonto na nanom ahemfo ene je sade hye mpotem no medi nkomo na wo kirim say omampende da John Dramani Mahama yi se bo mampende da J Kufu a ye ka na mapa obeyeye JJ Rollins nso ye ne mmode ba boy ye pa na omanga na mputudwum ba omanyimu nanso wodi de pa na betimi akade unsase ubu se wo ba ye no obeyeye ntene waje won ma ba beto asui o kirem se wantwatew ni senti bomade na nka beye mpa wadwen se wa betu frank ade amendis ni posesa no wasa ka se da de sred da to Ghana ma nyina nim se afu ya ba ne de eye mpuntu na betu ma Ghana matumi akon akoma ni senti se da Yesu Kristo wokọ no odi a chejijab eye Peter anase Petro ene azuafo nkan no so oje akire ede ma no angasa na doba Dr. Mamudu ba womianti se ya 2020 and 2016 bobo modern to abane de tia NDC and of mampended on bampeni da John Dramani Mahama na fi wensu aso bio monya ne saa na afia bato no monto mfama mpipia mayuko no every so obo ezene ya na abaso pa ne mputudwuma na hoba monsema ekọ eso e watifide mantemo emunchire munie.
When you mention the name of JJ Rowling, district assemblies come to mind. When you mention the name of John Ajakum Kufuor, National Health Insurance Scheme comes to mind. When you mention Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, Free Senior High School comes to mind. But when you mention John Mahama, Doomsaw, that's what we hear. We want someone who's going to take our country forward, not backward. That has seen you preside over the reconciliation of Gabon and the restoration of the peace and stability of this great kingdom. And I want to congratulate you on the success of your reign as Yana of Gabon. What has happened here in Gabon is a great example to all the traditional institutions of our country, that people, when they work together, can get positive results. You we have an example of what a wise, sagacious, forward-looking chief can do for his people.
Eni awoti ye aya Ghana mampene Nana Ado Dankwa Akufo-Addo nene eni etie ye.
Yemfri mampani akachi na yempiem ewo kane mampani John Dramani Mahama nso. Wono nso ne nto aba wo bo ewo Enkra pumpune mantamo na wo hyase enne ewo Enkran. Na nano ano ene ningo prampram. Wabra wakasa na wo kirem se Ghana fo nyina di adanse se wono kane mampani John Dramani Mahama no se eba baabia wogina ewo galamse nsensam no ho a waka ne plane se galamse no a ekoso no aban we mu nipa ana wonom aye chompiata a wo mu gina mu aye kasa yi asoja fo ntime nko a police fo ntime nko firi se Jubilee House ene mpanifo ahudo bi omo aban mu no mampani Akufo-Addo ene na appointees wo mo ana etu galamse no enu nti Nyankopon ya adom na se wonya bedi mampani a wo behwe ama responsible mining efom agudie de Nyankopon de amagana na mmom si ebetu efom agudie ne de bese wo ba de bobra ne nsuo de enya de se obepene we no eye ni position a wa state ye e wo ba bia wogina e wo galamse nsensam no emu na eno ana kane mampani John Dramani Mahama wo kasa no wo kirem se wonam na wo tete san mampani Akufo-Addo kiremu a bepem ne kane mampani John Dramani Mahama on declare ni position wo galamsey nsensem no ho kane mampani John Dramani Mahama de to dwa a kiremu ese ni position de wo declare dada ama Ghana fo nyina di ho adanse na emom se mampani Akufo-Addo so wonte ya eye ne nwanwa efri se olman wotena kan mu a na woda wotena patase na woda enkromo na wotu wonte no de Ghana fo ka bia no wonte enu nti se ne wo so wonte se wono kane mampani John Dramani Mahama no se won declare ne position enye nwanwa efri se wono ba bia obetena bia no mampani Akufo-Addo na wotu nkromo.
President Akufo-Addo said I should come out clearly on Galamsey. It looks like he doesn't live in this country because I've commented on Galamsey over and over again. The Ministry of Energy and Natural Resources gave political leaders the platform to outline their policy on small-scale mining. And for a whole hour, I outlined our policy. After that, there was questions and answers for 2 hours. We were there for 3 hours. So he should just tell his Flagstaff House media to get him the tape of what I said at the University of Energy and Natural Resources. Recently, when I met the clergymen, the Christian community, a part of my speech and the questions and answers was again on Galamsey and small-scale mining. And so, I mean, there's a lot that I've said. It is his responsibility. The people of Ghana elected him. He is currently the president of Ghana. And it is his responsibility to deal with Galamsey now. I know that after 7 January 2025, when Ghanaians have voted for me, I will take that responsibility and we will sort out illegal mining.
Wenu ayana no ye ewo Galamsey nsensam no eho na free senior high no so kane mampane John Dramani Mahama ekasa ya na wo kirem se wono waka ka magana fo nyina te se wono wo se wo ba free senior high no wo ntwam na emom no wo be review na de anya ne ye fremfre se enei enkwada ne kwa aduane a enya papa ane de ma wo mudie enkwada yi kwa ba bi omutie enya papa ana free senior high no ada ne traffic light eso green na green foko na so white na white foko na so pink na pink foko enu nti one day waka ne bebre kura se wono oba obeye review ewom ama sa asem na kura mpo no Kwadwo opo ankroma mpo e de abetu dwa kura kirem se free senior high no review ana wo moka se wo mo ebeye no enu nti se mampani na Danko Akufo-Addo kirem se enu so no chenche na wonte ye se kane mampani John Dramani Mahama kasa no a eye nkromo no a ulman.
He also asked me to come out clearly on my policy on free SHS. Again, he's not in this country or he has been sleeping because I have made it clear that there are implementational problems with the free SHS. 1, there's no dedicated funding. 2, parents are not happy with the double track. 3, the quality of food the children are giving is not good. And so I've said that NDC is going to come and fix these 3 things. 1, we're going to corral part of our oil revenues into a dedicated fund, and that fund will be used to finance the free SHS. That's number 1. Number 2, we're going to fast track the completion of our educational infrastructure so that we can ease the congestion in the schools, employ more teachers, and allow all our children to go to school at the same time instead of going on a traffic light. And Nana Akufo-Addo, 3, I said I'll change your centralized feeding system. I'm going to decentralize the feeding of our children in secondary school. The money is going to go directly to their schools, and their schools will be responsible for procuring the food to feed the children in order that the food will be better quality. If you are listening to me, that is our position on free SHS.
Kane mampane John Dramani Mahama edisansem we nyina to dwa wabra wade ne nto abopie mu e woningo pram abato mpese aso wankra pompone mantemo na wade anu yie ama mampani Akufo-Addo emunsem eno no na Facebook no so ana obediosen oso wako ema bibia anyo wanwa firi se saa nkrofo yi a wo mfro mo ho Kristofo no wo gu aso dem ho kwa wo suro sofo se ne Yesu wo musuro politician esene Ghana wo modo political parties ene wono mo asofo esene wo mai Ghana nti wakun e mane nwanwa kura wo so wotie kase bone life e di free kaso CP yada se ana Lucky Jackson ana wo se ensem troni be na dwuma na asolema be attack no de enye enu nti wo sere pa se Ghana police service monye modwuma na saa nkrofo yi nyame asem no de eni wo makomam ba kokura ana trese wode abai na DC Queen Abigail ana wase good evening daddy mo ana wayem sei nti wonso jude enti medase papa DC Queen wase news no loud and clear ana Kelvin entry ana wase oh Ghana adan kura ni Okogyeabour adan was in news no air loud and clear ana wa fake di fi new plan station yeda ase papa ana ono nso no was say NPP should focus their campaign and stop discussing majority or minority in parliament and on also aba na Dorcas Fusua and was say this is so sad I'm a Ghana Lucky Jackson was say Ghana be ye if we allow the law of the land to work and also the citizens we should change our mindset and on also aba piaga what if free achemo asafo and was say Cynthia Mamle Morrison or you ungrateful ana obuafo Okogyeabour Asante was mu ye boni aye papa no so wadi abai na Kofi Parliament was say I am watching you live edi free agona bobikuma ana was say love of money is the root of all evil. We don't think what is going to happen tomorrow. Yeah, that's papa ana ni kunsu kodokrum and was say it is better to believe in MPP than believing in NDC. Yeah, that's no message. Anna, although you should defeat my papa was in news, loud and clear. Yeah, I want to see bar sports is happening.
DL News.
Abusia nda nyumre ma yansama wadwon ensama wakwaba enfamra deal ohani nsia achiripo enkron kasa fidie so emre wedu se na nyumre agudie mu mrante yesin kunya na agudie mu nsama wodo a ya boaboa no abusia yegebre na yede somo Ghana nsamo a ena nkrofo nkroso dia wa manone account ne edi tiesa wote Facebook fo no so ne edi hwese mo hwe ena yenso ne edi kasa ye kana abusia tenase a yede eba besomo mi amedi agudie mu nsam edebadi ameje so no ayensu ano de hye apa KGH the blessed kirebusia yansha se emfan fifie dia onim se nansen blasters of Ghana ana omo nsam no age entren inti ne wotenase a omo nsam kwa na eboboba yansu ya bobo bia no a yede babesom na edika no Augustine Ahimfo oye former player edema Black Stars of Ghana na obeka ya danwada Ghana any Sudan ebo Libya wie ema Sudan twan ya kamienu a yentumi antena after the game no ye wonse video bi ene namten time so echiemu a Jordan Ayew ene goalkeeper Lawrence Atizigi omo de ntokwa bi aboma na nyasem ketwa na ene ye bi so Augustine Ahimfo se ball no wabo bi da hu video na hu ya wo sen ene o sesa video no hu ye no ono de obeka say emotions ena ebia ye lusu game no ena ma players ready yes ade no na we esi wo football mu entima ye nyina we so ne ensuso jangum na embe yasem kese o Blasters na sanya ma we de etore bia esi wo football mu
akoko akwa a wolusu a ni agida nti obi a ni wa akwa wolusu a obe happy nti I don't really know what triggered that melee that we saw in Tripoli or Benghazi whatever after the match meaning and I don't want to speculate and say there's but sometimes emotions are high, tempers are high.
Augustine Ahimfo amananso a otoaso erituja echema o se Black Stars ne problem na ewo mu no enye ne ayede yani hunu nkwa o ebro ne ayede yani hunu so enti imrewedo se yebegya tum se Black Stars no o ha wo mu ne yebetena se na yatoto nyama ye se na be Black Stars no ebe safa ne ntoma pa efra
problem happy with you goes beyond what we saw with the eyes. It goes beyond that and we should own up. We should be men enough to say something is amiss. BBM Kofi addressing. What is that? It's me address. Indeed, a proper post-mortem now on this thing.
Ne krakra mu no ana Augustine Ahimfo yebisa say no coach no Otuado ono an obi ade sombo no de bono na wo bono wabo bi da we legend ma Blasters no wonim de ene onyansem no wo susu say ye ja coach ne kwan na eno se anyo no obetu GF ne fo na emro mba be fa coach wo mo keka nsem pina de fa ne ho enti so mo atena se no mo hwe na ne mo no enso ani no mbeja ne kwan a omo won kwan so mbe sade na enyo no ene obetu omfo
and some I can be I'm a position be a young decision we don't know what to do. Let me go back. This administration, the first person they hired was CK Akono. The first person they hired was CK. After a while, CK Kore. They appointed the next one after CK. You see, until you appointed the right person. That person came in, did not do well. You appointed Obifufo or the Echo World Cup. Before World Cup, now say Ijumano, Newu Ankasa, priorities and lie with here, lies somewhere.
Augustine Ahimfo, a former player at my Black Stars of Ghana. And I watching in Kawa Black Stars in Sensemunuma. It's the Black Stars, no, Sabi Omo Yare, Yayomo drew. Into an impen phone didn't come up. And I had your margin at the Alpha Black Stars, no. Mr. George Akwesiafie, a former vice president at the Ghana Football Association. Now, I said down one that game I lose against Sudan. Or no nanyan no one didn't know kasa or say lack of proper planning and am I lusu game no ya bo game no Ghana awie against Sudan say ya dadwene ho ehun say game na ya kwakobo Libya no astroturf entintentem so ano na senke ye tu figure na ye de ni chemo wo Libya ya nyasa and yet tena ha akabe just one day na game na baso ansa na ye kodu Libya ebeba ne send ye betuma prepare enough abo game no
match no wala Thursday only say now we go 25 players now are probably now. I'm going to see a kind of green grass field in their respective clubs. Now your opponents now any back now. Or you training about a similar kind of astroturf, artificial. Now, so what you do? Your ball really out every now. Already near the charter flight in a Copenhagen and to see kids be at the team now. Now you Copenhagen and then recovery on an astroturf.
Mr. George Akwesiafie amananso toaso edit just say or say blasters no ekonachi eno na brofo kasem ya beka ne say retrogressing na o say on dey waka ne pen na asem na o kan no eno na edusu o say blasters no kwa na ekonachi no kamri bi say na blasters no etwa na ni ade ahwe na chi ekonachi no ebedu ba bi afcon no ne qualify kwa be din sa asem na o kan ne mri bi no ehwo na nde yedu no
the way they are doing our things, maybe qualifying for AFCON will be a difficult task. You can't start a number of AFCON right service for the AFCON
Yatwaso no ana yebisan se Mr. George Akwesiafie why a vice president area GF pay na nansenya ye se Ghana national men's under 20 team the Black Satellite of Ghana ya wafu zombie game ayebebo no e Togo na so ye kukuru team no area kopiem e Germany na sade no e den na akadia fa e no se sa decision na mpenfo take here say ye bebo tournament no e Togo ne ye di team no ko Germany ne yakobo friendly game de on dey sabe obeka se nyansa ni sade na ye num
e wafu zombie tournament under 20 call and you going to Togo no better of Germany another matter no a competition of West African countries e Togo e starting now to China na Germany so Germany needs Switzerland for what you see and no more another matter but
ne krakra mu no Mr. George Akwesiafie echema wase bia yebedu ya yem football na siniti ase enyama nkoye no o de subo ni nyina e de bebo club owners no esan so omunim no kura ne pa nanso omo mpese omo beka
bonus no who plan about so better. Premier League for the benefit of radio, we have a career 6-7 matches. We never carrying the day. Oh boy, we are there this day. Now, but we go with them candidate year in year out. We live in our home.
Mr. George Akwesiafie, a former vice president at the Ghana Football Association ebusia wo atenenka enso ewo na wonsam fufro mu no Yimano Sapon a player edema brekum Chelsea Boboko no na yene ne twetwe nkomo ne yebisan se Yimano Sapon ene anyama enkoye mfama blasters no enkrofo su frese be ya sa bogus no mu fia broche ba na yampam mo na yamfam local players ne mo na sa se wo gene sen no se enka be nice and good opportunity e de ama local players ne so mo so ebenya akwanya ewura blasters no abobi
It is a very nice opportunity, very good opportunity. I'm a young local boys now because I think that this is not the first time some of the supporters and other supporters effort for the local guys. And sometimes you try to when the local guys.
Na Yimaro Sapon Kasebe nice and good opportunity. Mayambisa o. Yes, ne no mo local players, mo national team no. Black Galaxy. Ano kra mo ntumi qualify. Na ano mpo mo ntumi qualify ni yamfa mo nko Blasters. Ano ase performance na yo mo dane di. Black Galaxy no ye ntumi emfa no enka say oh enu nti no mayam from enko Blasters. Ni omo hia akwenya yema omo akwenya no mo nso nko Blasters. No mo nkyere ni ombetuma ye.
Well, because I know what really happened. Yes, so the last two seasons and after last season, the Galaxy is more. I think this year they prove.
Yimano Sapon a player at my Bobo Quafer Brekumi Chelsea. And I was telling can ne crack and I Yebisan say weekends way money Legon cities nearborn a day now Kadia found us so far no omoko unbeaten our league no lusu game bia into omo mentally physically prepared nyame aduma kwesiada on Beshe Legon cities
normal situation at the Bomas this year I amazing my paper initiative so unbeaten situation of this party first game I no the same situation the ball for game the same situation I towards Legon city.
Yimano Sapon striker at the Mabrekumi Chelsea no waten and can crack no me 6 Dr. Gifty or Mensa Boaje GFA ESCO member or the Ato Ghana Women's Premier League teams name say season ya ibabe komuno sremo mu social media platforms no mu use and from promote mu games.
We have said all the clubs have social media platforms. And it's our belief that if we all decide to use our social media platforms to promote the game we all love so much, we can't be able to do much because you can still pick these feeds from the various TV stations' social feed and still promote it on your social club. GFA has a huge media system where you can seek for assistance and we'll be glad to come to your various spaces and assist you.
Mrs. Dr. Gifty Oware Mensa Boaji GFA ESCO member Ena watenen kani teo no uremu wa manoni amakacho say FIFA Women's Under 20 and Under 17 rather FIFA Women's Under 17 World Cup ekoso ewo Dominican Republic na group C and D no omo first game na nwumire game ebeba so uremu ewo group C wa 8 p.m. no North Korea and Mexico bebo na 11 p.m. no Kenya and England abo urem ewo group D nso a ebo 8 p.m. Japan ne Poland bebo na 11 p.m. no Brazil and Zambia nso abo na masa eko akrata kesia omo wo ma ye friend Spain mu na omo akwakoyi Lionel Messi says since football ba wiase no ono ye the greatest of all time player wa ba wiase nti masa kuwakrata kesia ewo Spain omo de sa award no e di ama Messi omo top 6 no omo se 1 ye Messi 2 ye Cristiano Ronaldo 3 ye Pele 4 ye Di Stefano and 5 ye Maradona na 6 Johan Cruyff we any omo top 6 greatest of all time players omo de abetuja ye de amao enso na the Athletic enso ye kuwakrata ewo England omo su chirema Man City for no mutimu ntrom esan so omo so omo coach e friend Pep Guardiola season be wi obeja omo akọ enti no omo susu se okodia Xabi Alonso Spanish coach na o coach Bayer for Leverkusen wo Germany no e no omo de ne ba adwuma no ye no obetumi abeye ede ama omo so wo Man U nso no ewo England omo su chemo omo coach wasa onya de Eric Ten Hag so kwa omo hwe se former Real Madrid manager Zinedine Zidane no omo de ne beba no wa beye adwuma no edi amomo ebusia wesu ne yegina na agudie mu nsema ye boabo no de besomo no yedi asi mi amedi agudie mu nsem no edi ba edi ameje so no ayensu ano de hye Upper Kanjih the Blizzard King 49 na utie michia wona anwumre
DLFM 106.9
Yema Ghana fo akwa banto aso mfiri ha na opele abowrem yemfa frefo be miensa pe na opele nto aso mfa awoso no enwoso Ghana ne nyina no ene se wosofo a ne din ede Bishop Elisha Salifo Amuako ne church members ntiase se nsemtwerofo apeke ne sofo life me pacha ususu se de ekoso yi enye asofo no nko a yetimechi politician na supporters abaho obi a wodi wo Ghana bia ye che no a ne followers empese mra ba yadwuma ususu se de ekoso yi Ghana ye ne ye boy ho abro anase mpanimfo no a 0534-050199-0593-4065-65. Good evening.
Evening, Apomo.
Me pacho me hu ya wodi de sana afre me frɛ hen.
Oh, me did you see spa isaba me fe tema.
Ma mintie o.
Yo na o mai mu asem de ka so ye ka aja ade echi. Esi se enya ni esi ya yetime bo nsanchirofo enya mra ka edi kan nie. Ya abubia happen. Na esban boni pa. Say yebeti asemi fi baby aski. Tenya mo nsanchirofo ya. Why pa me kwa ka me atibie. O mai mu. Seba bi obi se akurasi tum radio so and with information in that way. Na enye no nko.
Ya ma no nyata na onu amra bi.
Me da se na Ghana police me fe wo mo. Ya me wo mo ma no kweka endi wo mo nkan papa si say na nsanya ebisi o ka wokudi junction. Ye hu ne fi ye. Me
da se papa. Good evening. Hello, good evening. Me pa cho din de so free hen.
Me di Lady
D frame me friend wada Roma.
Me Kasafi Klagon.
Mami ntie o Lady D Klagon.
If I say, me can say Christopher woman o market. He says some software e by di is some who e ti say. Na mutu mi ko bro journalist dia na te say mu na market. It is a stuff will be to me can say Christopher sumutan kan e bi ni Omoyela.
Meda se papa. Me so meda se me wofa se ye chia klagonfo kafra wenti mi anyina so we ada wo semre 0534050199 0593406565. Good evening.
Ofa
49 nana amansie premre ma mintie we.
Ofa gangster kata wa we tofia wotonku na osanso 18 kura. Ofa me mawajo.
Me to patwa.
And that's some kitwa. Disco dancing hula la la. Ofa.
Yey.
Koto de ne budget. Nyenya nche de yankofa bomb. Nyemfa tubrani emfa mra me emfa nkunu onyesa. Eye me 49 nana we to me a. Da brinka me nai ba ku sinse wiem. Sabi me de moja ni mu. Emra enye adwuma wo Ghana. Sabi ye kunwobi police soja ni Mahama. See ye share video mu say ya tete nkofo ni nyina na meboa. Ye share video say ya ye timeti nkofo ni nyina nipa be say 15 or 10 say ye che wo mo.
Ye che wo mo nyina.
Video yes, enti video we e da sani e na record ye. E na da social media ye nyina ye hwe bi. Enti Ghana police enyo madwuma. Ofa.
Me da say we ye me last caller. Good evening.
The great Okogyeabour.
Yes sir. Me ofa se be ni.
Family survivor in Casa Fisheries.
Mami nyame nshira o me da se me hoye mami nti on Fisher Hills.
Only
Dabio.
What we say musi dai kese na mu jatagum se nkrofo be ye asemboni se mu chi omu tumu na wi omo. What we say next time the omu abonti no be se nyansa. Because so mu chi omu tu police station omu ni se ba omis e fieru na wodi mo omu no esu om beba. Enti omuso mu yesa nyamo semo na mu ko mu saba enti so mu sidan e chi jatagum na nkofo mu ya de we se chi omu nyina tu na jata wi omo a next wo abonti no be ka se mini anu jata wi no nso mi kwa mi mbabio da nyamo semo no enkoso bio idasi
menso medase papa ye ntimi mfa afrefo no ebiem ye da ya afrefo ye tiefo ahwefo nyina se mu amotesti yenso ye da mo ase DJ Omarion e de ye ko Facebook no eso na yesoso a na DJ Hitman wono ana wo ba 50 sabre akopem se no nkono kireyin awoso eni awoso na natade ye se no wasini VIP bus ne ba bia ko anu si hey so support kotoko enu a blaster for lusu na ni ye se ja ati just say yero ayera mo ati asiniyam yankopo
eyase mukuma
eh
se ana no so me ka kire o se DJ Hitman no sisi afi highlife DJ ye fa DJs no omo anominate ni so okaka ho ntonye ni paketo akora sa na otifia hase no nti ye besre ana no ye kan se nyame adom na code ne ba ye de besom ye tiefo nyame adom abeto dwanti
code na ba
code na ba enti ye de ba besom o mo yima sum pa na mo nti de mo wana DJ Hitman afi kuruwa no emna mesi ni naso we highlife DJ of the year award no pacho code no eye *714 star me set mu bio *714 star 66 na wa bo hash no wi a ni code no eye 549
say code no so biem
me sent mu bio
say we ya wo so PR
yes *714 star
that's right
na wa bo 66 na wa bo hash na wa enter ni code no 549 no I think so obebo your friend is saying ni code ubo hash ni wi a na wa bo code no 549 no
atafre wi tofe
mentafre o commentafre ubo wi a e baba request for ni code no
okay
ubo *714
nyabotre *714 star
66
hash
na wa send eba request for ni code no ni code no eye 549 wo ba ni din be pie fefe kama dodo bi a pesa wotoma no na wato na boa na afi kuruwa no yen setimi aka na nyina yetimi de anigye ene odo abodom
that's right
nti mama de nenye ni sama yen nti o pele afi we na afi o wi ni pa yen nyina nso ne ya den ya wen ne because yes sorry see enwuma betie ni fie ha no nse ashenkafo no me de o ma se okonza me kofie na drivers no me hu zo magya gumu saa na be bia wu ama
me say ada obewi ni me na dem sebe mesia tutu bi okurom ha
ya kwaji kruwa na anya nko na be kwa ne atifo na be kwa kwaji
ya mbotira na mbedwa manum
okay
kire sa ada obewi ni me se me na dem kwadwo sa da mo maji me safoa
sa
me na dem me tutu bi kroyim na me dem sa be nkum be gina excavator afa no dropping
okay
hwe ewurade
ifo wa nana ya kwaji kruwa na be ko binti aba no mesra wada to we dia woto nso ato no mpirimpiri so konsa what you say
the Ken is back to the subject. DJ Hitman say na yetio pata
Gangster cat ya meet Enquires Okogyeabour Ocran mene
takra de Kwadwo krom twabe wu de hyekonkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B enemy nso bedin
the Ken is back to the subject. DJ Hitman say na yetio pata
News.